Hey guys, it's Rick Brown and Bryce Wilkinson here with the Brown Home Group at Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. If you guys came to the open house this past weekend, we had a lot of people through, and as promised, we said we were going to do a raffle drawing. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. I'm going to go ahead and have Bryce, if you want to go ahead, here's the basket.
Right here.
Yep, I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around. I think that's the easiest thing to do. And we want to first thank Magnolia Closings Title Closings, and their team for the donation of the raffle item. And if you missed the open house this past weekend, you can definitely call Bryce or myself at 321-348-8720 for a private showing. So Bryce, why don't you go ahead and do the honors?
All right, here we go.
And the winner of the basket is...
It's Hope Mack.
Hope Mack! Yay, congrats. So Hope, we'll be reaching out to you to schedule the opportunity to have you come in and pick up your basket. And if anybody out there is interested on 208 Crooked Stick Court, right here in Eastwood community, definitely you want to reach out to Bryce or myself.
Yes. You can always reach out to me. My personal phone number is 407-399-2499. And of course, you can always reach out to the Brown Home Group team as well.
Right. And check out our website at brownhomegroup.com, or you can always look on this website, Facebook page at KW Brown Home Group. Hey guys, make it a great day, and we'll talk soon. Congrats, Hope.